Hello, everybody. Welcome to another model railroading episode.
Hello, everybody.
Today,
this is Nova Scotia Model Railroader. Sorry to rudely interrupt our regular scheduled programming, but the mention and several times in the video being the last video of 2024. In fact, this video was produced and recorded on December 31st, 2024, and has been released on January the 3rd of 25. So, yes, though the video is in fact the last video of 24, it is not uploaded until the new year. Anyway, folks, back to our regular scheduled program.
I don't know, you guys can see it there. The signal's, yeah, it's lit. But this track was dead, and I want to get power evenly spread so that I can run trains more effectively. Now, this little guy here, River Rossi 060 with a missing firebox door. Or not firebox door, oh, what do they call it now? I know what it is, I just can't...
Hello again, it's me. I am aware that I have made several, let's just say, humps or, mistakes in this video, and, well, at the time of recording, I wasn't really thinking clearly of what I was doing. I just said I wanted to make a video. So, just to clear up anything, a lot of this was just me not thinking clearly. So, yeah, sorry about that.
What I'm doing,
Please continue.
I just wing it most of the time. So, yeah, this year we're going to try to spice things up a little bit. I don't know. So, yeah, how you guys been? You know, everything's been well here on the Maritime provinces and whatnot. Yeah, I much appreciate the Rapido gift box. You guys really surprised me with how much you enjoyed that video. I'm actually surprised it even took off at all. You know, I really appreciate you guys jumping in all your comments and suggestions and ideas. And, you know, it was a really fun thing to do. I really enjoyed doing that. And there will be more, no doubt about it. I'll definitely be doing that again. I think I might be doing some more surprise boxes. If that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. Although, it won't be too often because, well, these things do cost money. And
as you guys are probably aware, I'm just rambling at this point. During the video, what I was actually doing is I am trying to repair a section of track in several areas of the layout that has been causing issues where I've made some mistakes. So in this clip, I'm trying to repair the back end of the layout where the train goes in behind all the buildings, as you've seen in many scenes. I wasn't happy with it, and I just felt that this needed to be changed. So this is what I'm doing in this part. And throughout the video, I'm going to be doing mostly repairs in this area, but I'm going to try to make it as brief as quickly as possible so it's not so... Anyway, folks, let's get back to it. I'm holding
the camera, and I've actually rigged up my tripod, because there would be no possible way I'd be able to do this without ripping something out of the alignment here.
Alright, I think it's about time we skip the blah 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 and get right into the next section, because I'm sure you guys at this point are like, okay, I'm starting to get bored. He's been going on for 3 minutes and I can't see shit. So let's speed up to a part where we're actually doing something.
You can understand it.
Okay, and we're back. I saved you the headache of watching about probably 20 minutes of me just rambling on while I fix the track, and skipped right to the point where I'm actually going to do something constructive. Anyway, folks, at this point the repairs are done, and now we're in the testing phase where I run a train over the sections to make sure everything works normally, I guess.
Oh. Looks like I'm having a little coupler issues with the locomotive here. Surprising, those bulkheads actually work on my layout. This will be the last train on the layout for 2004. Despite my butcher shop track work. No, the reason why I wanted to fix that issue is because I wanted to make better power circulation coming around the layout, because at the far end loop down behind us, the trains have always slowed down significantly. Well, no issues. It's not perfect. It's not the greatest, but for what I've got to work with, it works. I couldn't be happier. Usually I have that track's going to be hidden. I'm going to put a tunnel in back there where the train is currently. There's going to be a tunnel in there. I got some plans with this layout. Right now, the layout is just in limbo of being constructed. Anyway, folks, I much appreciate you guys checking the video out, subscribing, enjoy. Just give it a thumbs up, give a like. Feel free to comment, make suggestions or improvements that you feel would be good. I really appreciate your information, your feedback, and I do thank you guys for checking out the last unboxing video with the Rapido stuff. That was a lot of fun, and I do plan to do similar videos to that in the future.
Well, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this different way of editing and uploading a video. I'm trying something new here with my recording techniques to see if this is any better. If you guys like this method of me doing these videos, please let me know in the comments. I appreciate all your support. Once again, thanks for the views on the last unboxing Rapido Trains video. I had a lot of fun with that, and I hopefully plan on doing more of that in the future. Anyway, folks, this is Nova Scotia Model Railroader. Until next time, be well.